Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on your computer. So first is to go ahead and open our settings by tapping that icon and tap settings app, and then go to your apps and feature, first option, and then just wait for it to load. And here on the search bar you just type Roblox and then tap on the three dots on the Roblox player, and you may uninstall that one. So this app will be uninstalled, and hopefully that will work. However, if it won't work, then from your home page of your Roblox, then you can go ahead and log in from another browser, or you can now try from here searching for games and try to play that kind of game. And here you will be asked to download and install the Roblox again. So you just tap open Roblox and then start downloading it. So this is the process. All you have to do is just to tap join. So after installation, then as you can see, it's now being installed, and you can now reinstall the Roblox and then refresh, or you may log in back to your PC again and see if it works. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.